Hey guys, I want to make a quick video today to give you a little tip on how to keep your glasses from falling down your face in that annoying fashion that anybody who wears glasses knows all too well. This is a follow-up video to a previous video that I'd made some time back. I'll leave a link down in the description that outlines the entire process and why this works and what it's all about, but I just wanted to post a little update and show you something that I added to these glasses. I was having a problem where in that video I talked about putting these little pieces of rubber band, basically just super gluing them to the back of the glasses here to prevent them from sliding down your face. And this had worked out really well, but I did come across one problem where over time the oils in your skin actually would wear down the rubber here. And I actually ended up replacing this tiny little rubber strip several times. You know, the rubber would maybe last, I don't know, 6 months, somewhere in there, maybe a little bit longer, but they always wore down, they always degraded, and I was just getting tired and frustrated with doing that, reapplying this little fix that I'd mentioned earlier. So anyways, this might sound really silly to everybody out there, but I tried another little fix that seems to have worked out pretty well. And what I did was, let's see if I can get this thing to focus here. I put a little piece of sandpaper actually on top of the rubber band to try to prevent the rubber from breaking down and having to reapply the fix again and again and again. I just did this today. We'll see how long this additional fix holds up, but I'm pretty confident that the sandpaper is going to hold up a lot longer than the rubber did as it interacts with the oils on your skin and everything. And the grip is even better than it was before with the rubber. This is like a medium grit sandpaper. It's not something that's going to scratch your head or be uncomfortable by any means, but it definitely is a tacky, abrasive, not so conducive to sliding at all sort of thing that you can apply to your glasses if you feel like doing this sort of fix. And like I mentioned in the previous video that I shot there, I've tried so many things to try to rectify this problem of your glasses sliding on your face, and you're always having to do this number with your finger where you're pushing them up constantly all day long because they keep sliding down. I've never had anything that worked quite as well as this little hack here. So give this a try. Like I said, go back and watch that other video if you want the full breakdown of why this works and just how I did it. It's very simple. There's not much to it, but like I said, I just wanted to post you an update and let you know about this additional little trick here that I applied. So I hope this helps you guys. Talk to you later.